Hello, my dear friends and teachers in life sciences. Good evening, one and all. Respected dignitaries, Honorable Sri Harshavardhanji Deshmukh, President, Sri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, Honorable Advocate Ullasji Aurangabadkar, President, Dharampet Education Society Nagpur, all respected Vice Presidents and Secretaries of both education societies, respected Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, Principal, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur. Respected Professor Dr. Z.P. Bathena Madam, Principal Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai. Respected Dr. Vijayji Thakre, Principal Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. Respected Dr. R.M. Bhise Sir, Principal Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Organizing committee members and dignitaries of an online platform Botany for You, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Dr. Nitin Labhane, and Dr. Tushar Wankhede. I, Dr. Deepak Koche, founder member of Botany for You and Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, here takes this opportunity to welcome you all on the second day of this 5-day national workshop on CSIR NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences. And here to introduce today's guest speakers. As per our schedule, we have 4 guest lectures today, which will be delivered by expert faculties in the field. Today, the first lecture will be delivered by Dr. Tushar Wankhede, founder member of Botany for You and Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. He is going to deliver the lecture on physiological metabolism of plants. He is university rank holder at PG level and cleared NET, SET and GATE exams. He has around 20 years of teaching experience and over 10 years of research experience. He has published more than 20 research papers in various journals of national and international repute and presented his work in more than 30 national and international conferences and seminars. He has also completed one minor research project funded by UGC. The second guest lecture is delivered by Dr. Avinash Ade, Professor, Department of Botany, Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune, on the topic population ecology. He has more than 23 years of teaching experience, also the same years of research experience. His expertise is in the field of bioremediation and plant microbe interaction. So far, he has published around 67 research papers in the journals of national and international repute and also contributed in 6 books and guided around 11 students for their PhD research. He also completed several research projects funded by various agencies as a principal investigator. The third lecture will be delivered by Dr. P. Jasmine Lena, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Biochemistry, Prince Sri Venkateshwara Arts and Science College, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Her topic of presentation is Organization of Organelles in Cells. She is MPhil and PhD in biochemistry and published 11 research papers in national and international journals. She had also cleared CSIR UGC NET examination. The last lecture of today's session will be delivered by Mr. Shilananda Hivrade, Assistant Professor in Botany, Vinayak Mahavidyalaya, Nandgaon, Khandeshwar, on chromosomal organization. He is CSIR UGC JRF NET and he cleared this exam about 8 times and also qualified ASRB NET, SET and GATE exam. Currently he is pursuing his PhD and published 2 research papers at international level. Friends, I hope all the lectures you have attended earlier and will going to attend today and afterward will enhance your subject knowledge domain and will be helpful to clear the CSIR UGC NET JRF exam. Keep watching this lecture series. Best luck and have feast of knowledge. Friends, before starting with today's lectures, let us have the message from respected principals of all 4 colleges involved in this venture. After that, we will start our first lecture of today's session. So keep watching and be with us. Thank you.